Hello, I'm Shin, and this next part of painting Bahannar from Warhammer Underworlds Direchasm. Yeah, today we will paint metal elements and his face, and we will see later how much time we'll have. So I will start from his face. I will take smaller brush at the beginning. It will be a slayer from Citadel. Hello, autofocus. Come on. Oh. And we take contrast Gulliman flesh, and we need to get inside his head. It's too much, so I will take with my brush this too much amount of paint. Yeah, okay. And now I will take my medium layer brush from Citadel, base Leadbearer. Yeah, and I don't know, we can start from hammer. Warhammer. The swarms. And I took off a backpack because it will be easier to paint later. Okay. Can also now take a backpack. And here is a bottle. Okay. And last element. Here are a part of armor. I think it's armor. Okay. Now we'll paint gold elements. So we'll take base Balthasar gold, and we can start from hammer. Okay. Here below too. I paint a rock, but I will repair it later. It's okay. Okay, and now or no, we don't need base coat this with Aldassar Gold. Yeah, but here is an amulet, and we can find with Baltazar. Okay. Now we'll take layer Sycorax bronze and we'll paint all metal armor ornaments, armor elements, that's not white. Okay, now I think we can take Administratum Grey, mix it with water and paint his clothes. What is it? And I found two elements that I didn't paint in Sycorax bronze. So let me repair it now. Once here. Okay. And two more elements with Administratum Grey. Yep. And use it. Okay, now we'll take null oil and wash hammer. A battle on our backpack. Agrax Earthshade and gold elements, but not these ones with Sycorax bronze. We will leave them just like they are. They are. And amulet. Oh, and I forgot. With null oil, I saw this armor. Okay. We can also but with really low amount of null oil. Between his fingers. Dante. Also, these shoes. Yeah, okay. You can also. I will not. Honestly, I will not. But if you feel on your strength, you can try to take a button black or other. It depends what color eyes you want, and try to dot his eyes. I decide to not because it will be too difficult to me. Okay, but for today it will be all. Sorry. Null oil. How many I will forgot. Null oil and horns. Wait, and it will be not all for today. We'll take iron breaker layer and paint hammer with him. And at the end we'll take Liberator gold layer and highlight gold elements. Can also dot them. And okay. For today we finished, and this is our result. For better photos, I invite you on my Instagram. And for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next week. Bye.